Welcome back to Car Updater, your go-to destination for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most groundbreaking releases in the automotive world for 2025, the all-new Tasla Motorhome Camper Truck. Yes, you heard that right. Tasla has officially stepped into the world of mobile living, merging the ruggedness of a pickup truck, the intelligence of electric innovation, and the freedom of a camper into one futuristic machine. And let's just say, this isn't your granddad's RV. The Tasla Motorhome Camper Truck 2025 is unlike anything the RV or truck world has seen before. It's built on a modified version of the Cybertruck platform, retaining that iconic sharp-edged, stainless steel exterior but with extended capabilities to serve as a full-on mobile home. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell it's a vehicle built for the next generation of adventurers, people who want power, performance, style, and sustainability, all in one package. Let's talk design. Tasla hasn't strayed too far from the Cybertruck's original blueprint, but the camper version features a larger rear section that extends vertically, creating a pop-up camper-style living area. It features solar panels integrated seamlessly into the roof that not only power the living quarters but also assist in charging the vehicle's main battery, giving travelers extended range in off-grid conditions. The exterior looks like a sci-fi dream: smooth, geometric panels, flush doors, bulletproof glass, and a presence that simply dominates the road. Tasla has turned utility into an art form. Inside, the Tasla Motorhome Camper Truck is where things really get wild. Step in, and you're met with a minimalist yet luxurious living space. The camper opens up to reveal a fully functional microhome equipped with a small but sleek kitchenette, a convertible sofa bed, a compact bathroom with a composting toilet, and a shower with water recycling tech built in. Yes, Tasla is thinking way ahead. Even the air filtration system is inspired by Tesla's bioweapon defense mode, ensuring that even when you're out in the wild, you're breathing clean, purified air. The control center of the camper is a large touchscreen panel. Think of it as the mission control for your mobile life. From this hub, you can adjust lighting, climate, monitor water usage, check battery levels, control the solar input, and even set your vehicle to autonomous driving mode for when you're back on the road. And yes, the Tasla Motorhome Camper Truck comes fully equipped with full self-driving capabilities, making long road trips less about driving and more about relaxing and enjoying the view. Performance-wise, the truck doesn't disappoint. It boasts dual and tri-motor all-wheel drive options with instant torque, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, even with the added weight of the camper module. That's performance that beats most traditional trucks and leaves RVs in the dust. The estimated RA